Now that we have seen how the second level comment reply feature works, we are now going to discuss how the generic reply or keyword based reply configuration works. So if you enable this, what would happen is a filter set would appear. So what is a filter set? A filter set is a group of configuration that allows us to define a keyword and then define a comment reply for that keyword, and also define the private reply and the photo or video for that specific filter set. So it's best to show you how it works. I'm gonna add a keyword here. Let's say keyword 1 and keyword 2. Alright, after defining our keywords, we're going to add a message that is for these keywords. Let us say hi, and then right now, instead of using the first name, let's use the tag name. So hi, and then tag the user. This is from filter set 1. And then we are going to add another filter set. It's really easy to add another filter set because you are going to see the plus button here. You can also duplicate this filter set if you want. So let's try to add a filter set. Now let's define our keywords here. Let's say keywords 3 and 4. And after adding our keywords, we're going to add the message or a specific reply for these keywords. Alright, we have already configured the filter set 2. Now let's try to duplicate this filter set. Alright, we now have the filter set 3, and as you can see, the configurations for the filter set 3 is the same as the config for filter set 2 because the filter set 3 is a duplicate of the filter set 2. Now let's define another keyword here. As you can see, there are conflicting keywords because each filter set cannot use the same keywords as another or an existing filter set. So let's try a different keyword here. Let's say keyword 5 and then select this, and then keyword 6. Now we have the filter sets, keywords 1 and 2, keyword 3 and 4, and then keywords 5 and 6. And then let's rename this as this is from filter set 3. And after that, we are going to confirm the changes and test how the keyword filter works. Alright, we are now back on our post. As usual, we are going to change the profile that interacts with this post to our Facebook personal profile. And then let's test by typing keyword 1 and let's see what the comment auto reply is. Alright, after refreshing our page, we finally receive the reply for this comment. Keyword 1, and as you can see, the comment is from filter set 1 because keyword 1 was set under the filter set number 1. And on the filter set number 1, our reply is this one. Remember that we added the tag user here, and what the tag user does is instead of sending your name directly, it also tags the Facebook user, and the user would be able to easily see a new comment because this comment is tagged to this specific user. That's why I always recommend to use the tag user instead of the first name. Now let's try another keyword. But before doing that, let's change the way we interact. And after changing to our personal profile, let's now try keyword 4. Great. After refreshing, we finally received another reply. And this is from filter set 2 because the keyword 4 is configured under the filter set 2. This is the filter set 2, and the reply for this filter set is this one. This is from filter set 2. Great. Now let's try another keyword, and as usual, change the way we interact and use the Facebook personal profile, and this time we are going to use keyword number 5. And great, after refreshing, we received a reply again, and this time it is from filter set 3. So keyword 5 is configured under the filter set 3. As you can see, this is keyword 5 and this is the reply. So that's how it works. Now what if the user types something that is not configured on our keywords? Let's use our personal profile again, and this time I'm gonna type this is a keyword without a match. Great. After refreshing, we finally receive a reply to this specific comment. So this comment, we did not set any keyword here, and as you can see, the reply is our generic generic reply. So let's go back to the configuration and scroll down. So notice that we have another configuration here. Enter default reply if no keyword match was found. So whenever the user types or comments something that is not configured or did not match on any of the keywords from our filter sets, then this is the reply that will be sent to the user, the default reply. And that marks the end of this video. So let's have a little recap. We have already discussed how the auto-like configuration works, how the one comment per user works, and also the second level comment reply, and finally the generic reply or keyword based reply. On the next videos, we're going to explore how to add a private message whenever the user comments on our flow. So stay tuned on our next video.